Model A to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. That's a nice one, 1930 Ford Model A Tudor Sedan. Green and black color combination. Of course, underneath the hood, 201 cubic inch L-head inline 4-cylinder. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome on the front bumper, as well as the grille, the rock guard from the radiator. Nice shape, good shine to it, nice finish, headlights. You'll be able to check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Be able to see the underside, the engine bay, interior. And as you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. It does show well in the fenders as well. You know, these call us at 507-386-1726. Very stock looking interior with the tan or light brown cloth. Of course, the black vinyl top. And back here, the real deal, a trunk. How cool is that with the rear mounted spare? Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through them, probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. From the underside, it's the interior, engine bay, and you can see the paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, has a nice shine to it, whether it be the green or the black. You're gonna find a few imperfections on it, yes. And it's black. You'll be able to find a little something. And but overall, really shows well. I'm gonna go ahead and start this up also so you can hear it run. Now on the interior, you're gonna have the gas shut off right here. So I have the fuel on. So the gas line open. Starter, of course, up here on the floor. I'm gonna turn the key here. And of course, your throttle and your timing will be on the column there. Nice condition on the inside here also. Make sure we're neutral. Take a little closer look at the seat. See, those are in good shape. Whoops. Door closes. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Sounds like you expect Model A to. Again, that 201 cubic inch L-head inline 6. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to open the hood so you can check out the engine bay. We'll wrap this video up. And here's that hood open, both sides. Take a quick peek at the engine bay. Of course, on the center pad right here, that's where your vehicle serial number will be stamped. Engine number is the same as the serial number for the vehicle. Flip around to this side for a single carburetor. And again, 201 cubic inch L-head inline 4-cylinder. Smooth runner. Fun one to drive. Old school for your local parades. Just out having a little fun. 1930 Ford Model A Tudor Sedan. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1930 Ford Model A. Nice green on the outside. Really good running car. just turn the fuel line on, start it right up, and go. It's a 3-speed on the floor. Our speedometer does appear to work. We'll take her out on the road here and see how it feels. There is what looks like an aftermarket blinker setup here. Nothing indicates it blinking on the inside of the car. Wait for this car right here and then go. Uncommon for these cars. It's a comfortable ride. Gets down the road pretty good. We're between 35 and 40 miles an hour according to the speedometer. It actually feels like we're a little faster than that to me. But a pretty smooth ride. Our amp gauges do show that they're charging. There's not a lot of other features on this car. It's one of the simple old cars. Really great 1930 Model A. If you want to check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.